Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to redeem Xbox gift card, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem your Xbox gift card, guys, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your preferred browser, guys, on this interface at the top of the screen there will be the search bar. Click on the search bar and type in the address xbox.com. Give a backslash and type in redeem like this and hit on enter, and then it'll be directed to the redeem page of Xbox. So let's wait for it. And before you redeem, guys, you can see you'll be required to sign into your account, and here it says sign in to redeem. First sign into your account from over here and enter your email address over here, guys, and click on the next button, and after that enter your password over here, whichever may it be, and then you'll be logged in and you're directed over here, guys. You can see now currently after logging into your account the redeem page is available for us. Click on the redeem now button over here, and then this kind of box will appear where you'll be required to enter your 25-digit code of the gift code available on your gift code. And after entering your gift code, guys, over here, which will be available on your gift card, that code will be automatically redeemed. You can see, guys, this is a demo code, so it is not redeemed, but in your case after entering the correct code, the redeem button or the next button will be available for you. Click on the next and follow through the procedure, and the net worth amount of your gift card will be redeemed and added to your Xbox account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to redeem Xbox gift card on computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.